Hi everyone! So in today's video I'm going to draw Gojo because I put a story on Instagram saying that which character to draw next and Gojo got the most vote. So let's draw him then. Here I'm starting with the blindfold, just drawing the bottom line first and then I will draw the nose. So everyone, it's an easy tutorial and don't forget to watch till the end and like the video too. And if you are seeing me for the first time, then subscribe my channel because you may not see me again. And also you can go to my Instagram account through description and vote for the next characters. And right now I'm drawing a center line for making the things easy, and now let's draw the nose and then I will be drawing the mouth. I took this picture for drawing because it looked really easy, that it's without the eyes and without drawing the proper lips. And the only difficult thing in this picture is to draw hands, but I will get along with it too and try my best to make it look easy. And another thing to tell you guys that I just crossed 17k followers on Instagram, and I don't know what will be the follower count by the time I will be posting this video, but I can guess maybe it will be 18.1. And one more thing to tell you guys is that next video is gonna be a fan art of Mikasa and Eren. One reason is Eren was on second on the voting poll and I wanted to draw it too. I just got this idea and it's gonna be made by me, designed by me. My own idea actually. So stay tuned and wait for it. I just completed the mouth and now I'm going to draw the jawline. And there is one more reason why I chose this picture, because some of the followers wanted me to draw his psychopath laugh and some of them wanted me to draw a fan art of him, so I chose this photo because it was perfect. It has like both. And now it's time to draw the hands, and I decided to draw with a proper structure. I'm not too good with anatomy, but let's just make it look easy and let me try my best. The circles I'm drawing are for the joints because they're something like round, so it would be easy for us to draw the fingers. And similarly draw the next hand too. So after completing the structure, I am now drawing the actual hands. Finally, the hands are complete and they're looking so pretty. And now it's time to draw the hairs. You can draw whatever kind of strands you want to draw. It's really not necessary to follow the reference picture as it is in the case for hairs. But if you do, that's also good. So finally our beautiful sketch is complete and now let's remove it to do the outline. And here I'm using an 8B pencil for doing outline. It's a dark one grade. So finally the outline is complete and now I'm using this 2B pencil for doing this shading. First in the blindfold. I'm doing shading like this because it's an easy tutorial for beginner and the next full shading tutorial will be uploaded soon. After 2B, I'm using a 4B pencil for doing some more shading. And sorry here, camera couldn't bring back focus again. After 4B, let's use a 2H pencil for doing a little more shading in the face. And finally, let's use a blending stump to blend it. The blending is not much needed, but let's do it some. I was not intending to do my signature because it's not complete yet, but let's do that and go to see the final look. So here our beginner tutorial is completed and I hope you liked the tutorial, and if really yes, then don't forget to subscribe.